Hello, fellow diamond painting addicts, and welcome back to Diamond Painting Anonymous. I'm Daphne, and I'm here today to share with you my 2 finishes so far for DP for Pets 2023. If you're participating, thank you so much for participating. I have had so many people enter. It's been so great. I'm so thankful to everyone who's helping to make this event as good as it is. I've been seeing your posts all over Instagram, in the Facebook group. Please keep posting progress and finish pics. I love seeing what everyone is working on. That said, we're halfway through and I've got a couple of finishes and then I'm going to be starting something new. But since today is the day that the exit form will open, and I will put a link to that down below so that you can fill out your exit form if you've finished your project, I thought I would share with you the things that I have finished. So the first thing that I want to share with you is my Paint Gem mini set of dogs. Now there were 25 colors, I think, and I had plenty of drills left over. No problem finishing all of them, and I think they turned out super cute. Let me show you what I did here. So here is the pit bull, super cute. Here is the poodle. Then we have the pug, the Scotty, the bull terrier, the French bulldog, the Doberman, the collie, the Chihuahua, the Cocker Spaniel, the Jack Russell, the Saint Bernard, the Corgi, the German Shepherd, the Husky, and my favorite, the Yorkie. That's my dream dog. Someday I hope to have a teacup Yorkie. Don't know if it'll ever happen, but you know, my dream dog. So anyway, so here's all of the dogs, and here they are all finished. Now, I will say I found the drills a little bit on the trashy side. There's not a ton of trash, as you can see, but a lot of them that had holes or were, you know, shaped kind of weirdly. There's a round one that wasn't formed all the way. Although from the holes and the little concave ones, these are resin drills, so bonus there. And I think they all turned out super cute. I think probably my least favorite is the poodle, just because I don't know if it translates on camera, but it just seems kind of washed out. I guess to me, poodles are kind of darker. But again, you know, maybe they were trying to make it so that you had the minimum number of colors that would do all of these different dogs. I still wish that they had a dachshund. And, you know, there's tons of other dog breeds. Maybe they'll come out with a dog number 2 set at some point. I don't know. But I think the Husky is super cute. Like the Yorkie. I actually think the Corgi turned out really cute, even though I don't particularly like Corgis. And I love the French Bulldog, even though I don't like Bulldogs either. And weirdly, the Cocker Spaniel, which is one of my favorite dogs, I actually don't like that one a whole lot either. I mean, they're all cute, don't get me wrong. It's just of all of these, yeah, these 4 I think are my favorites. They're the ones I saved for last. But I do think that the Chihuahua and the French Bulldog are very cute. The Saint Bernard does look exactly like my brother-in-law's dog. So anyway, okay, so there's all of those finishes. And then I finished my dragon. So let me go get that and I will be right back to show you guys that one. Don't go anywhere. And you guys, here is my cute Fiona dragon. This turned out so well. It went so much faster than I thought, and I had tons of fun doing it. This one had, I think, 20 some colors, 26 colors, 27 colors. These black drills are their glow-in-the-dark drills, which I had some questions about, but I did lay the canvas out under my studio lights here, let the drills charge up, and then I took it into my closet and took a picture, which I will stick over there. It absolutely does glow in the dark. It's so cute. I didn't buy it because it was glow in the dark, and whether it glows in the dark or not is really irrelevant to me, but it is cute. I just had a ton of fun with this. I love the pinks and purples. I did add some drills, some ABs into this. I did add some 208, which is the color of the dragon. However, the darker purple here, I ran out, so I've got them kind of sprinkled in on the bottom, and then I ran out for the top, but I think it looks okay. And then I added 3766 ABs, which is this color right here, so you can see all of that right there are ABs that got added in. And then the other one that I added in was 211, which is one of this background colors, so you can see this whole background side here is ABs. I will take some B-roll so that you guys can see kind of up close what I'm talking about and how it turned out. But yeah, I'm super happy with this one. It is really cute. It worked up really quickly, and just overall really happy with it. I really like the color palette. I think the pinks and purples in it are very pretty. I love down here at the bottom where the little spiral of the tail is. I think that is very cute. I actually did most of the outside first and left the dragon for the end. Usually I just kind of work back and forth like a typewriter going that way, but this time I left the face of the dragon until last, and I'm actually really glad I did. I had a lot of fun, you know, all the purples down here, and then as you get towards the top, you get into the pinks, and then I saved the cute little face for last. I'm just super happy. Had more than enough drills to finish everything. It was not super trashy, as you can see. Just this very little bit of trash is all that there was. So I told you about the ABs that I added. There were also already 2 ABs in the kit. So you can see here this pink AB was already in the kit, and then also the white. I think this is the pink AB around kind of outlining the dragon, but then white in its eye and here in the butterfly wings. So between that and then the 3 ABs that I added, yeah, I'm just really loving how this one turned out. So excited. Excited that I'm done with this kit. Excited at how cute it turned out. Excited that I have my first finish for DP for Pets. This also counts as one of my artist series, so just kind of wins all around for me. Because I'm only halfway through the month, I am going to be starting well, I guess technically a 3rd project. So I did this and my doggos, so I have those 2 projects done. And then I'm going to be starting a 3rd project for DP for Pets this month, which you hopefully will be seeing the kit up for shortly. It's actually the oldest kit in my stash currently, so I'm excited to be able to get that one done. But yeah, this one is just, if you guys haven't picked this one up, it is still available. I will stick a link to it down below. You can also still pick up the Paint Gem doggos. I'll stick a link for those down below as well. If you like dragons, if you like color blocking, there is, of course, some confetti, but I love the little hearts here. But there's so much multi-placing in the background. It just went so much faster than I thought. I think it only took me, I want to say like 24, 25-ish hours to finish this. So way less time than I thought. And I really love how it turned out. All right, guys, I hope everybody is doing well with their projects for DP for Pets. Like I said, keep posting with the hashtag, tagging me on Instagram and Facebook. Join the Facebook group, Diamond Painting Anonymous. We are growing by leaps and bounds, and I love to see everybody's progress. That's it for me today, guys. Thanks so much for sticking around till the end of the video. Before you leave, don't forget to do all the things. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that bell notification icon so that you can be informed of future uploads. And as always, guys, thanks so much for watching.